Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on and use voice typing on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let me unlock my iPhone, and at first we need to open settings. Here now we have to scroll down to the general, and now scroll down again so that we can see keyboard. Tap keyboard and here scroll all the way down. Here as you can see we have dictation and it's enabled by default. Here we can turn it off, but if you have it like this, tap it and here now you will have it turned on. Now we can exit that, go straight to the notes for example, and use that using this. Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we're going to use the voice typing on our new iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see here, they have some mistakes, for example back with your heart, because iPhone doesn't know HardReset.Info, but as you can see it works. And that's how to use it. Goodbye!